Hey, welcome everyone. My name is Mike Gregorio, and I'm so excited that you're here. Welcome. This is going to be your 5 Secrets to Meditation Mastery Minicourse. I can't tell you all the wonderful benefits of meditation that I've experienced in my life, and I can't wait for you to experience them as well. So what I'm going to share with you in this course is the secrets to meditation that I've learned from studying with various cultures and traditions all over the world, and I've boiled everything down into just the fundamental essence that you need to get started on your meditation mastery. So becoming a meditation master isn't about going up to the Himalayas, getting rid of the world, or practicing some super secret technique. It's quite the opposite, actually. Doing the basic fundamentals is going to lead you to mastery. The biggest thing is just to practice, focus on your fundamentals. If you master the fundamentals, you become the master. So let's dive deep. First of all, thanks so much for joining this course. I'm so excited. I can't wait to share with you all these wonderful secrets to meditation. Meditation has been a really deep part of my life the last few years. I'm so excited to share it with everyone. You're going to experience deep, peaceful mental states, relaxation, bodily recharging, letting your nervous system calm down, relax, and providing a deeply therapeutic, healing environment for your body, your mind, and your spirit. Meditation is the most wonderful thing in the whole world. If you meditate during the morning, you benefit from it all day long. If you meditate during the night, you benefit from it all during the night, during your sleep. Meditation is just so wonderful, so great. It calms the body, the mind, and it provides a wonderful, relaxing, therapeutic environment for you. So first, just to begin, I want to welcome you to our family and this school community. I do just have one favor to ask of you. If you could please go and post one thing in the school community. Introduce yourself. Let us know where you're from. What interests you in meditation? Are you going through a spiritual awakening? So if you could please just set a profile picture for yourself on the school community so that way we know who we're interacting with. It's a really wonderful community. It's a nice, heartfelt group. We want everyone to interact, get to know each other. Post any questions that you have there. You can respond to other members, start a poll, start an engagement. So please just post one thing in the school community. Okay, thank you. All right, let's begin. Secret number 1, Earth. That's going to be our bodily position. So the body is incredibly important for meditation. And why would that be? So if we're in the right position, it allows our body to be strong, firm, and dexterous, which allows our mind to fully relax. So the body has to be relaxed for the mind to be relaxed. So bodily position, we can do 2 primary asanas or sitting positions. You can sit comfortably on the ground in a cross-legged position on a cushion, or you can sit on the edge of a chair. So the chair is going to work best for most people because we're generally not acclimated to sitting for long, prolonged periods of time on the floor. So just find yourself a nice, comfortable chair. You can fold a blanket in force and put it on the edge. You can get a small cushion, but just sit on the edge of the chair so that way your back isn't going against the back of the chair and your legs sit comfortably on the ground. So now we're seated here in our chair. You're going to want to position your legs so that your knees are at a perfect 90-degree angle. This allows your feet to be relaxed. It allows blood flow and circulation in your knees, hips, and your ankles. So you want your feet just firmly on the ground and a 90-degree angle for your knees. That's perfect. Yeah, that feels really good. So next we're going to focus on our hand position. So you can either do palms up or palms down. You can go palms up or palms down just before the knees. So it's just before your knees, not quite on them, but nicely on the hamstrings there. Alternatively, you can cross your hands together and put them comfortably in your lap, or you can put them palms facing up and just on top of the hips. So these positions allow for the back to be straight. It allows for the arms to relax. Now everybody has a different length of their upper and lower arms. So just find the position that works best for you. I find for me, I really like palms facing down just before my knees. I can really let my arms relax, sink deep into the meditation, and let my mind relax. Perfect. So now for our upper torso, you want to make sure that your back, your neck, and your head are all in perfect alignment. So the way to accomplish this, sit on the edge of your chair and imagine a string is running from the crown of your head and it feels like it's just being gently pulled up. So when you gently pull up, it puts all of your neck, back, and your head in perfect alignment. Or if you like to visualize a different way, you can imagine a stack of coins is sitting on the top of your head. So you would want to balance it like that. So when you balance those coins, it keeps your neck, back, and spine in perfect straight alignment. Finally, take your chin and just gently tuck your chin in. That'll help you pull up and keep your chin in. For our gaze, you want to keep your eyes just halfway closed. So not fully open and not fully closed. Keeping the eyes fully open can lead you to be distracted by the external environment. It can let too much light in. So when your eyes are just halfway closed, it allows you to focus halfway on the internal landscape and halfway on the external. So gently just close your gaze halfway. That allows you to be half in, half out. That way you're not getting distracted by the external world and you're not getting completely lost in the thought world. Finally, just take your tongue and place it on the upper palate of your mouth. Perfect. So now our neck, back, and head are in perfect straight alignment. We're sitting on the edge of our chair. Feet are firmly on the ground. Knees are at a nice 90-degree angle. We've got our hands resting palm up or palm down in the lap or just before our knees. And the tongue is just halfway, is on the top of the upper palate, and the eyes are halfway closed. Perfect. Secret number 1, perfect bodily position for meditation. This is the earth element. This is your first secret to meditation. Perfect. You're well on your way now to becoming a meditation master. So now that we've got the body in perfect alignment, ready for meditation, let's work on our breathing. That'll be secret number 2. Thank you so much for joining me. So glad that you're here. So looking forward to having you on the rest of the course. And thank you for joining this school community. All right, sending you all the love and light. I'll see you just on this next video. Thank you so much.